Google has unveiled its new AI Playbook for sustainability reporting, a comprehensive guide demonstrating how businesses can leverage artificial intelligence. This playbook shows how AI can make environmental, social, and governance, or ESG, reporting more precise, quicker, and significantly easier to comprehend. It's designed to transform how companies approach their sustainability disclosures. Drawing from Google's own 2 years of hands-on experience, the playbook details how AI tools like Gemini were tested on its climate and environmental reports. From 2022 to 2024, Google applied AI to automate supplier data cleaning for Scope 3 greenhouse gas emissions, handling thousands of data points. This process saved hundreds of hours annually by verifying over 100 sustainability claims and summarizing extensive documents into concise insights. The playbook outlines how AI streamlines processes by automating manual tasks. This includes cleaning messy supplier datasets, standardizing formats for accurate Scope 3 emissions tracking, and identifying outliers in fuel consumption data. Natural language processing scans reports against thousands of regulatory documents for claims checking, while large language models like Gemini condense lengthy PDFs into key takeaways, highlighting risks like greenwashing. This frees staff from paperwork, allowing them to focus on strategic climate actions. The guide provides a 5-step model for introducing AI into an organization. It begins with auditing current processes to identify bottlenecks, then prioritizing high-volume, repetitive tasks. The next steps involve prototyping and testing minimum viable products, scaling successful tools organization-wide, and continuously iterating with human oversight. This human-in-the-loop approach ensures accountability, monitors for biases or errors, and refines prompts to prevent greenwashing, maintaining a 95% accuracy threshold. Beyond automation, the playbook highlights creative applications of AI. These include AI-powered dashboards for interactive reporting, allowing stakeholders to query data directly. Persona-driven reviews, utilizing tools like Google's Notebook LM, simulate expert personas such as an ESG auditor to review reports. Additionally, generative AI can answer investor questions on sustainability data in real time. This positions AI as an ally, significantly improving the technical quality of disclosures and their communication. The 28-page playbook, available as a downloadable PDF, includes templates, prompt examples, case studies, and risk mitigation strategies. It's a vital resource for businesses navigating rising regulations like the EU CSRD and SEC climate rules. By embracing AI, companies can enhance their ESG reporting, ensuring greater transparency and driving meaningful climate action. Explore Google's AI Playbook to transform your sustainability reporting today.